So following the first part, in this part we are going to see about the nephrons. And speaking about the nephrons are the basic functional unit of the kidney, and there are 1 to 1.3 million nephrons found in the kidney. And now we will speak about the structure of the kidney, focusing on the nephron. So we'll see a picture here, the second picture which is over here, which states the structure of the nephron. Each nephron is divided into two parts. The first one is the renal corpuscle, comprises of the glomerulus and the Bowman's capsule. I'll draw a line to differentiate the first part. So this is the first part, which comprises of the glomerulus, where there is blood flow, and the Bowman's capsule. And the main function for this renal corpuscle is the filtration. And the second part of nephron is the renal tubercle, which consists of several tubules, which is this part, which is the second part, which is the renal tubercle, which serves as the passage of the urine, which concludes in the collecting duct. So we'll speak about this a little further. First we'll write the parts. So the first part of the nephron is renal corpuscle. So the renal corpuscle comprises of the glomerulus and the Bowman's capsule. And the second part is the renal tubercle, which comprises of several tubules leading to the collecting duct. And first we will see about the renal corpuscle. So as I said before, the main function of the renal corpuscle is the filtration. It helps in the filtration of the blood, and the renal corpuscles, based on the presence of the renal corpuscles, the nephrons are divided into two types, that is the cortical nephrons and the juxtamedullary nephrons. First we'll see about the cortical nephrons. Speaking about the cortical nephrons, in the cortical nephrons, the corpuscles are found in the outer cortex of the kidney near the periphery. So it is present in the outer cortex. So you will be perplexed about the word outer cortex. So in order to know what is the outer cortex, here we have an image showing the cross section of the kidney, where we can see the cortex, medullary region, and the calyces of the kidney. So the cortical nephrons are seen in the outer cortex of the kidney near the periphery, that is somewhere around here. So this is the region for the cortical nephrons, and 85% of the nephrons are cortical nephrons, and the major function is it helps in the formation of the urine. So we'll write a bit about the cortical nephrons. It is present in the outer cortex near the periphery, as we saw earlier, and 85% comprises of the cortical nephrons, and its major function is it helps in formation of urine. And the other type, based upon the presence of the renal corpuscle, is the juxtamedullary nephrons. So these juxtamedullary nephrons are present in the inner cortex near the medulla or around the corticomedullary junction. So we can see the picture. So we can see that